Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new burn all feature in Glory Garden game of Roblox summer camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now the campfire is getting easier. As you can see here that we can submit all our plants or fruits to the campfire. So we don't need to manually submit or burn them one by one. I'm just going to use this feature, submit all or burn all feature for the campfire, like this. Oops. I think I don't have enough plants. Wait, let me harvest plants from my garden. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, are you sure? Um, and I will get this embers. This action is irreversible. Okay, I'm just going to click on confirm. Whoa, this feature is very useful. Why didn't they add this feature in the first place? Oh my god. Okay guys, and that's all about the burn all feature for the campfire and grow a garden game of Roblox summer camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.